big trouble for Sanjay Bhandari as the CBI registers a fresh case against him. That's the update coming in at this point in time. We'll try and connect with our reporters to get you more details. This is huge, a big development in the Sanjay Bhandari case, and we are being told that a fresh case is being registered against Sanjay Bhandari. Trouble for Vadra aide Sanjay Bhandari. We'll get you more details on the case that has been registered by the CBI now. Of course, the investigation moving in a fast-paced manner. This, of course, has been done for... Okay, I believe Nikunj is joining us with more details. Nikunj, more trouble for Sanjay Bhandari. We are being told that the CBI has registered a fresh case against him.
Absolutely, Swati. No denying that fact. The Central Bureau of Investigation has registered a fresh case. Interestingly, an amount of
against
an amount of hundreds of thousands of US dollars is now engaged in this bribe case, and the Central Bureau of Investigation says that this is a case emanating out of a tender process of ONGC in which Sanjay Bhandari allegedly illegally obtaining gratification for certain unknown officials of the ONGC took at least 50,000 US dollars as an advance interim receipt from certain companies that have been named. The details of those companies are available with Times Now, and senior manager on officials of those companies have also been named in this first information report. So it would not be incorrect for us to name them. But at this juncture, we are waiting for the first information report to be loaded by the Central Bureau of Investigation in this case on its website. But for now, what we can tell our viewers with great amount of certainty is that in a tender process at Dahej in Gujarat for ONGC work, Sanjay Bhandari, who has been in the past accused of swinging contracts of certain public sector undertakings due to his influence with in the corridors of power and his close proximity to some people in power circles, has now been booked by the Central Bureau of Investigation in a fresh case. And that fresh case also engages one private company, certain officials of the government-owned public sector undertaking in Navratna Oil and Natural Gas Limited, alongside Sanjay Bhandari. And this is about dual power cracker unit that was to be set up in Dahej in Gujarat. ONGC was setting up an extension of its already existing facility. It was not a greenfield project, but nonetheless, extension of the project was going on, and certain tendering process was to be done. Sanjay Bhandari promised the companies that were involved that he will swing the tender their way from the ONGC side. Hundreds of crores of rupees were involved. As a matter of advance illegal gratification, close to 22 crore rupees were obtained, and that is why Mr. Sanjay Bhandari, officials of that private company which was involved, and unknown officials of ONGC have been named. This is not the first case, but as I have been repeatedly saying, that more trouble is because the Central Bureau of Investigation has registered a fresh case against Mr. Sanjay Bhandari. And ONGC contract and some other public sector unit contracts have been in the eye of the storm, with Sanjay Bhandari being the pivot, acting as the pivot in these obtaining of contract processes.
All right, Nikunj, thank you very much for joining us with those details.